Hi guys! Welcome sa Sipnayan. In this video ay itutuloy natin yung series natin on composition of functions, no? And more practice dito sa video na to, no? So here we have two functions, f of x equals x squared minus 1. Tapos meron tayong g of x which is equal to uh, square root of x minus 4. So paano ang f of g of x? Sabi natin, if pag meron tayong composition of functions such as f of g of x becomes the input, no? So, another way of writing it, di ba? F of g of x, no? Ang isang way pa na pag-write niyan, hindi pa natin na-discuss sa mga previous videos ay equal to f, no? Tapos ipapasok natin yung the value itself or the expression itself, no? So, f of square root of x minus 4. Equal naman silang dalawa, so pwede natin i-replace, di ba? Okay? Paano natin ngayon gagawin yan? No? So, f of, pareho lang din naman, no? F of square root of x minus 4, di ba? Ay i-substitute natin itong square root of x minus 4 doon sa x, di ba? So, since ito yung input natin, ibig sabihin itong part na to, must be substituted dito. Parang f of 3 ka, di ba? Pag nag-f of 3 ka, kung ano yung nasa loob dito, yun ang isa-substitute mo doon sa x, di ba? So, 3 squared minus 1. Since ito ang nasa loob, yung square root of x minus 4, ibig sabihin yun ang isa-substitute natin dito sa x squared, di ba? So, magiging square root of x minus 4, no? And then squared, no? And then we have a minus 1. So, bali, ito na yung x natin. Diba? Okay, so we have this is equal to, gawin ko na lang blue, Pag in-square natin yung square root, mawawala na yung radical niya, di ba? Radical sign. So, magiging x minus 4. And then, minus 1. Meaning, we have x minus 5. No? So, yun yung ating f of x minus 4. Or f of square root of x minus 4. Meaning, f of g of x, no? Yung pinaka-given natin f of g of x. Gawin na natin black. F of g of x is equal to x minus 5. Now, what about g of f of x? So, again, ito baliktad naman. Yung f of x naman yung magiging input natin, no? I-rewrite ko na lang yung square root of x minus 4. So, square root of x minus 4. So, meaning, ito yung g, we have g of f of x, no? Pwede rin natin gawin ganito, no? So, magiging equal to g of, ano ba yung f of x? Diba x squared minus 1? So, x squared minus 1. Okay, so pag sinabi tayong g of x squared minus 1, g of x squared minus 1, ibig sabihin yung x squared minus 1, yun naman ang, maybe I'll use a different color. Yun naman ang isa-substitute natin dito, di ba? Whatever the expression here, di ba? Whatever the expression here should be substituted to x, no? Sa lahat ng x dun sa expression. So, magiging, this becomes equal, and then square root, and then yung x natin, maging x squared minus 1, and then meron pa tayong minus 4. So this is equal to g of x squared minus 1 equals square root of x squared minus 5. So minus 4 tsaka minus 1. Magiging minus 5 siya. This means that g, no, g of f of x, no, which is the original question, is equal to square root of x squared minus 5.